What's up guys, Jose here. So check this out. I just got off the phone with Dave, and Dave's the guy that bought the 2019 Bullitt, and basically the car was damaged and they hit it, they repainted it, they fixed all the damages and everything, and then they sold it to him without even disclosing it to him. And now we're talking about a reputable company here that at least is recognized by the government, the military, or whatever here in Germany, that sells new cars to service members, DOD, diplomatic folk, you know, things like that. It's pretty intense, and this is gonna be like a two-part video. I'm gonna explain everything, what happens here, and then in the next video we're gonna talk to Dave and see what basically his resolution is gonna be, because I mean, we're talking about the only 2019 Bullitt, and if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it right here. Check it out. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll talk about that in a second. I'm about to head over to work on the car a little bit, and we'll see you in a bit.
All right guys, so it's a typical German winter here. It's raining. Don't mind the ambient sounds. I'm not using my external mic today because this was ad hoc. So if you guys are subscribers to the channel, you remember the video that Dave bought his car, his 2019 Bullitt. If you know, the title of my video was the only 2019 Mustang Bullitt in Germany, right? Because I talked to the guys over at Mass at the Military Auto Source, and I asked them specifically, is this the only one? They said yes, there have been no others and everything like that, which was, it turned out to be a lie, right? So here's what happened. So there were comments on the video, and if you look at the video, you can see the comments on there where people are like, well, it's not the only one in Germany. Somebody else bought another one. It was an American spec car. There's American spec cars and there's European spec cars, just different kilometer ratings and power and all that stuff like that, right? So Dave did a little digging, right? And he actually found the owner of the other American spec Mustang Bullitt here in Germany. That car originally was supposed to go to him. So basically the car that Dave has now was ordered by the other guy, okay? So here's what happened. Dave contacted him, they talked on the phone, and the other guy sent Dave pictures of the damage. And here are the pictures. Dave was shocked because they never disclosed it. And when he bought the car, he asked for the window sticker. And naturally, you're gonna want the window sticker of a 2019 Bullitt, right? They said that they don't know where it's at, they threw it out. And this is why. Again, here's the pictures. And now, because Dave is mad and he wants something out of it, I mean, obviously, wouldn't you be upset? I mean, comment below, let me know what you would do in a situation like this. So, Dave doesn't want the car anymore. It's been damaged, and here's the best part. The car was fixed and repainted not by a Ford dealer. It was done by somebody else. And here's the receipt of that. Look at how much damage that is. That's like over 7,000 euros, which is close to about $10,000 of damage, not done by a Ford dealer. So that paint is not even warranted by Ford. So it's a no-go. And that's why we're gonna go more depth in the second part of this video when I talk to Dave and see what he does and see what the resolution is. But I need you guys to give me a little bit of advice on what Dave should do in a situation like this. So to recap, he bought a car, they told him it was the only one in Germany, turned out to be a lie. He got car number 47, which was supposed to be like a unique car. Supposed to be brand new, never driven. Not true. Had damage, was repainted. They never disclosed the damage. They never disclosed the paint. They never disclosed anything. And now Dave got stuck with the car. So tell me what you would do. So please subscribe, like, share this video, push it out to anyone who's thinking about buying a car from Military Auto Source here in Germany or anywhere else that they operate. Push this video out because it's important that everyone does their homework. So thanks, and tune in for the second part of this episode to see what Dave does.